Now, overground workers were arrested during the operation, and during interrogation, these workers disclosed the location of another hideout. Security forces quickly moved to the second location based on the intel. A coordinated search operation has also been launched to nab the terrorists. A gunfight between security forces and terrorists has taken place, and a terrorist hideout has been busted by security forces in Bandipora in Jammu and Kashmir. Search operations are underway. Overground workers were arrested in the operation, and during interrogation, they've disclosed another location of a hideout. Security forces swiftly moved to the second location based on the specific intel. A coordinated search operation has now also been launched to nab the terrorists in the second location. Zeenat, circling back to you. Zeenat, my colleague, continues to join us. Zeenat, speak to us about the Bandipora encounter and also any reports of casualties or injuries yet. Zeenat.
This all started yesterday when Bandipora police, along with other joint forces, arrested two OGWs. The OGWs later were questioned about their movements, about their support and all, and they gave information about one of the hideouts located itself in Bandipora. When the joint team of security forces reached to the second hideout, the terrorists were in that very hideout. They fired upon the joint party. Along this, in this joint party, the two cops have been injured as per the sources, and also a gunshot injury has been received by the OGW who has taken these joint forces to a particular hideout. Meanwhile, the coordinated search has been launched as there are the reports that the terrorists who fired upon them today morning rather, they are trapped in this. This is the Kullar village of Bandipora in North Kashmir, where the action is on, and the visuals that we are beaming on the screen comes from Bandipora, where the alertness on the ground has been seen from the joint forces. Although the CASO continues in the area, some gunshots were exchanged, but as of now, we can't say that is encounter has started. We need to wait once the official word comes in, but this is confirmed that in the Kullar there was an exchange of fire earlier when the hiding terrorists fired upon those who had come for the search in this Kullar Bandipora along with the OGW, and in this incident two police officials, two cops have been injured along with one more OGW. We are expecting that there will be more breakthrough in the Bandipora as the forces in the entire village, in the entire districts of the Kashmir, of the 10 district, where we see the multiple operations being launched after Pakistan carried a deadly attack in Pahalgam of South Kashmir.